The underpainting is acrylic, my wash, and then of course I airbrush an acrylic sky in this case. And part of the cloud, the steam has been airbrushed as well, but it's just to give me an outline. Once I've done that, I start peeling away the layers, and we'll do a video when I start peeling off so you can see. It just makes it a lot easier, rather than painting around the lines and painting up to the lines, or even painting through the lines. So I'm now busy shaping the steam coming out of here, and we'll have a look a bit later and see the progress.